Have you ever tried adding a product to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping and ended up just staring at your screen like, where the heck do I even click? Yeah, been there. You've got the dream of that passive income life, but then the tech stuff hits and it's like, okay, never mind, I'll just cry instead. All right, let's break it down. No fluff, no techie jargon, just the real steps you need to get your first product from CJ onto your Shopify store without losing your mind. Step 1, connect Shopify to CJ. So first, head over to cjdropshipping.com. Log in or create an account. It's free. Then go to My CJ, then go to authorization and click Shopify and hit Add Store. It'll ask you to log into Shopify and give permissions. Just follow the prompts. It's pretty straightforward. Step 2, find a product to sell. Use the CJ search bar like you're online shopping. Filters help a lot. Choose US warehouses for faster shipping. Step 3, push to store. Once you find a winner, click List. This is where you customize. You can edit the title, price, product description, and choose the variants you want. Step 4, sync and test. After listing, go back to your Shopify dashboard and make sure everything looks good. Images, pricing, shipping, double check it all. I always recommend doing a test order, even just to yourself. You learn so much about the process and catch issues early. Boom, you did it. Not as scary as it seemed, right? Adding products from CJ to Shopify is honestly a skill. Once you get it down, it's like riding a bike. If this helped even a little, hit that subscribe button.